All right, guys, in this session right here, we're going to be looking at some film cut up of the ALN DePauw game, specifically cover one. So sometimes you'll see with blitz and sometimes you'll see without. I think most of the time I'm at least going to be at least bringing one. On this particular occasion, I'm bringing the Ram, which is the right stack linebacker right here. The guy's moving around way more than I want him to. So he was attacking the C gap right there. So my end went inside and he's blitzing outside. My only issue is with my outside linebacker right here. I said 1,000 times, but I want both of these guys, him and him, to be taking away the inside. So if he's inside of this receiver, the quarterback actually throws him the ball. Okay, take away the inside. The quarterback, the free safety is helping you with all vertical and deep routes. So you got help over top, and we're going to challenge the quarterback to make outside throws. So if he's going to throw 5, 7, 10-yard outs, we're going to make you show us that you can continuously do that. But this is cover one, so everybody's in man-to-man coverage except for the free safety. So again, here's the same play, different view, and we're giving up the inside way too much. He just slide over and be about right in here to take away that inside and be driving there. That should be an interception. But again, this is like our first collegiate game here, so we're still learning from mistakes. What I do like is the inside technique here. I'd rather him slide a little bit more inside my corner over here, but he's doing it the right way. So we got another cover one here. We got a good bit of pressure on the quarterback. I have to take my hats off to him. It's a good timing between he and his receiver. I want my DB to just backpedal. He came out of his backpedal too early, flipped his hips way too early. So his eyeballs should be on his man. Get your eyeballs out of the quarter. Stop looking at the quarterback. Get your eyes out of the backfield. Focus on your man. I think my corner at the top is doing a pretty good job there. But as a DB, you got to be good with your footwork. You can't slip and fall in this situation. Okay. But he starts to get into trouble because he opened his hips too early for absolutely no reason. There was no reason for him to open his hips that early. Same thing here. We're looking at the right corner. He's just getting out of his back pedal way too fast for no reason. Be backpedaling, shouldn't be opening his hips. There's no deep threat to you right now. So here we got another one. I generally don't run cover one on the goal line. I just was trying to play it safe. I knew they were going to pass, but I just didn't know what after that. So I just tried to play it safe with cover one. I do think my DB up here is taking away his inside. In that situation, I would love for these guys to press, don't give ground and give up that quick, easy pass to the end zone. Stand your ground. I'd like for you to press and stand firm. So we got another different view of cover one. One takeaway is inside, takeaway is inside, takeaway is inside. So this outside linebacker, strong safety on the slide, I'd rather him slide over a little bit and be inside. But we actually want what's happening to happen. However, we have to make this play as a linebacker pursuing inside out. We cannot should be aiming for his hip right here. We cannot let him make us miss in this situation because we're covering our guys. Having him pull the ball down and run it is the last thing they want, and it is what we want. But you have got to make this tackle. Not get head up right in front of a ball carrier. You got to take something away. Either take away the right or take away the left. We're supposed to be taking away the right side of the defensive right side of him because we're an inside out team, and we didn't get that. We gave him a two-way go. When you get down the middle of a decent skill guy, he's probably going to make you miss. So you got to take something away and be okay with it. A good touchdown saving tackle by the corner. He's got his guy man-to-man coverage, gets off of a block, live for another down. Again, cover one, we got the free safety running the alley. He's missed the line. He's already been there. He's trying to disguise his coverage, but he should already be down in here anyway. It's a good job, defensive end, using your hands. This is getting physical. I love to see my D lineman get physical here. Boom, driving, get off. Good job, secure the tackle. That's important. So here's a different cover one, but we didn't execute it correctly. Yeah, we did not execute this correctly. Let me rewind and see what's going on here. The guy that's blitzing is blitzing the wrong gap. He should be actually blitzing C gap here. Okay. And if he was blitzing C gap here, his man is actually the back right there that's trying to lead the backfield. He collision him because it's his man trying to lead the backfield. So again, when we don't communicate our coverage responsibilities, you're not going to get the favorable play that you intend to have. So we get an interception out of this. However, we still could have played it a little better and weave in our back pedal, but he knows he's supposed to take away the inside. And he knows that he gets beat because of the inside release that this receiver took. But he's fighting very hard to try to get back in a better position. And that's what helps him a lot. Boom. Outstanding job. Way to recover. Just because you're starting off, and it's okay to get beat. That's life. You got to compete. I'm getting beat, but I'm not going to stay beat. I'm going to do what I have to do not to stay beat. Good job. Very good job. So again, he's trying to take away this inside, hard inside release. Stay with him. Don't look at the quarterback. Stay on your man. Very good job. A lot of young receivers, a lot of young DBs in this situation, and the first thing that they want to do right about here is look at the quarterback. You cannot do that. You have to stay on your man and keep running with him. You got to have what we call eye discipline. You hear me say it all the time, eye discipline. Keep your eyes where they belong. All right, I would have wanted the safety to be down in the box a little bit more. I'm going to tell you what helps this out. It's a run. Everybody's got to declare who's their man. And once your eyes are on your man, you keep your eyes glued on your man, it allows you to diagnose the play a lot easier. So in this particular play, the corner has the wing right here, okay? And I believe we have a tight end right here. So my outside linebacker has that tight end. Well, he's engaged and blocking down inside, and my safety can see, outside linebacker can see that it's a run, and he did a really good job coming up, putting a good physical tackle on the running back. Way to show up. Way to show up. It's a little better taking away this inside. Good. I wish you kept that backfield a little more. Cover one again, and now we got to work on our consistency. It's basically the same exact play. We missed a tackle in the backfield, cannot have that happen. So we're actually blitzing the linebacker here. I think that's the Mike linebacker that's blitzing on that play, and he misses in the backfield. Puts my outside linebacker in a bit of a jam. He's got to make that tackle, run through those legs. Keep your feet moving, run through those legs. It's a physical game. You got to keep your feet moving, run through those legs. It's almost an identical play. It's a physical sport. You got to run through those legs. Wrap up. It's the biggest problem with this one right here. Unlike the last time he was in this situation, he wrapped up. This time he didn't. You got to be consistent. Again, we got another missed tackle in the backfield here. And I'm also bringing the Mike linebacker through the A gap. We don't have a contingency plan for missed tackles. It does not exist. You have got to make this play. Breakdown. He's got a breakdown, and he has got to make this play. There's no contingency plan for that. Now it's on the secondary and the linebackers to get off blocks and make touchdown saving tackles, which the free safety does. I don't think I could have drew it up any better than that. For that, my rush end right here, squeezing down inside to get you right to the ball. You got to make that play. Bringing the Mike linebacker through I think he's going straight through the B gap. B gap. Get everything clogged up. Make sure we talking on defense. Great job using your hands, D-line. My D-lineman is in a two technique right over top of this guard right here. He did a great job using his hands. That's how we do it. That is what we're looking for. Excellent job. So here,